Alright, here I am in Union City, Tennessee. This is July the 4th, Independence Day, 2019. For some reason, they have decided to have it over here at the fairgrounds. I don't know why, unless they just wanted to mix it up. But anyways, we're here in Union City, Tennessee, enjoying the firework display of 2019, saying happy birthday to America. In honor of all the sacrificing that was made to be able to bring America in existence towards it being America. And I don't guess I know the main actor of all that would be George Washington, pertaining to the Revolutionary War. Beautiful. Let's see what else they got to offer. I was told it was going to be a big one tonight. That right there was huge. Oh yeah. I almost stayed at home tonight towards wanting to watch the Washington, D.C. firework display, because I was told it was going to be just absolutely phenomenal in comparison to what they've been having. And I did get to listen to the president's speech this afternoon, and I did watch all the airplanes fly over, especially the Blue Angels, which was very moving. I felt like it was very, very moving. What Donald Trump done this 4th of July, I give him 2 thumbs up on. Now, how that does that, I don't know, because it takes off in one direction and then it heads off into another. Beautiful. I will say this, by having it down here, with it being kind of down in a hole, it resonates the sound better over here. In other words, whenever they go off, it almost sounds more like a cannon over here, because of the acoustics of the trees and it being down in a hole. Than it does over there at Discovery Park. Hear it whenever it goes off? It's got more of a hollow sound to it. Boom. That's beautiful. Beautiful. That was cool. That was cool. That's neat. See, it starts out one way and it does something else. I don't know how that does that. It must have activators that once it burns a certain distance and it takes off again. There's all kinds of ways you can make these things. I've seen them one time where it made America It actually drawed out America as it was blowing up. Seemed like that was down in Memphis, down at Mud Island, whenever I seen that. And of course, I'm sure the far most best one that I've ever seen was whenever my son and I went up to New York City and got to see it from the statue, off from the Statue of Liberty. I say it was the Statue of Liberty. Maybe it wasn't the Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty's in Washington, D.C. He was up in New York off of one of them big bays. My son and I watched him fire off the firework display, and it was one of the most beautiful firework displays at the time that I had ever seen. Now, since then, I'm pretty sure San Diego, San Francisco, LA, Houston, Dallas, Miami, Atlanta, has come up to being equal to what we've seen. That was in 1989. That's been a long time ago. Whenever we seen the firework display up in New York off of one of the bays. Hear the sound? You won't get this sound over there at that other park. You not only get the sound whenever it shoots off, but you get also the sound up there. I don't know if those are called chasers, sparklers, or what they're called. All red. Whoa! Whoa! Aliens! Whoa! Hey! Man, that freaked somebody out, wasn't it? Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Bang, bang, boom, boom, boom. Bang, bang, boom, boom, boom. Bow, 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 bang. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Bang, bang, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. They get louder, 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 louder. Wow. Hey, they're kicking off something here now, brother. This may get towards the end of it. I don't know. Whoa. That was a mouthful, wasn't it? That's probably the end. Jesus. I don't know. I ain't never seen that one. It shot up through there. It almost reminded me of aliens coming up through there. Lord, Lord. I was going to watch a firework display over there next to all those lights. I got to looking at all the lights and I said, no, that's going to hurt my view of all the glare coming off the lights over there. So I got lucky and I drove over here, and I'm basically right here in front of it where they were shooting down from. Good. Good, good, good. That wasn't bad. Once more, I'm here in Union City, Tennessee. This is the year 2019. Happy birthday to America. Happy Independence Day of all those who have sacrificed so dearly for us to have what we have today. Beginning with one skirmish after another skirmish after another skirmish. Thank God for our men and women in uniform, for those who was willing to sacrifice for our liberty and for our freedoms. Thanks again for watching. To my viewers, shalom.